Waking up to urgency or a surprise leak can make mornings feel stressful. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone and you're not stuck with it. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through 4 common morning drinks that can irritate the bladder, why mornings make these triggers hit harder, and simple tasty swaps that calm things down. Stick with me, because the second drink is a healthy favorite that catches people off guard. As always, everyone's body is a little different and medicines matter. So use these tips as education and check in with your clinician if you have questions about your specific situation. Let's start with why mornings are special. Overnight, your body concentrates urine. Then you wake up on an empty stomach. Whatever you drink first is absorbed quickly, and stimulants or acids can send stronger signals to the bladder muscle, the detrusor, making you feel urgency sooner. Add carbonation or certain sweeteners, and for many people the message gets even louder. The goal isn't to drink less, it's to drink smarter. Gentler liquids, better timing, and steady sipping can make a big difference. The first drink to rethink is strong coffee or espresso on an empty stomach. I love coffee too, but first thing in the morning, especially without food, this combo can be rough. Caffeine acts as both a stimulant and a mild diuretic, and coffee naturally contains acids. Together they can amplify the morning jolt, and if you have an overactive bladder or urge incontinence, you may feel it as a sudden need to go. If you're not ready to give up coffee, you don't have to. Pair it with food so the absorption is steadier. Choose cold brew half-calf or a low-acid dark roast. Start with a small cup instead of a large mug, and sip rather than gulp. Many people find that simply moving coffee to mid-breakfast instead of first sip helps a lot. The second category is black tea and energy drinks. Here's something you might not expect: a strong black tea can rival coffee in caffeine, and tea contains tannins that can irritate sensitive bladders. Energy drinks stack high caffeine with acidic additives, and that's a tough mix when your system is just waking up. Even green tea, healthful in many ways, still has caffeine, which can bother some people, especially first thing. If you enjoy the ritual of a warm mug, try caffeine-free herbal options like chamomile, rooibos, peppermint, or ginger. Decaf versions can also help, and a shorter steep can reduce bitterness and tannins. For bladder comfort, energy drinks are best left for later or skipped altogether. Third on the list, orange and grapefruit juice. Citrus juices feel wholesome, but the citric acid and quick sugars can be harsh at dawn, leading to more urgency or even a mild burning sensation for some. There's another reason to be cautious with grapefruit: it can interact with certain medications. If grapefruit is a favorite and you take prescriptions, talk with your pharmacist or clinician before making it a daily habit. If you enjoy vitamin C, consider low-acid fruits later in the day like berries or kiwi, or eat whole fruit with breakfast so the fiber slows absorption. Another gentle approach is to dilute a small pour of juice with water and drink it after you've had some food. The fourth morning culprit is diet soda and zero-sugar sodas. Carbonation expands in the stomach and may increase urgency for some people. Artificial sweeteners can also irritate bladder signaling in sensitive individuals. Even zero-sugar energy drinks bring acids and stimulants that can send your bladder mixed messages. A simple rule of thumb in the morning: choose liquids that are still gentle and low acid. If it fizzes, save it for later or skip it. Now let's talk about what to drink instead, because small positive swaps work better than restriction. Start with warm or room temperature water as your first sip, just 4 to 8 ounces to rehydrate gently. If you like a little flavor, add cucumber and mint or a thin slice of ginger. On hot days or after a morning walk, a tiny pinch of electrolyte powder can help if your clinician says it's appropriate for you. If you enjoy coffee, keep it, just prepare it more gently and pair it with food. Cold brew half-calf or low-acid dark roasts are easier for many people, and having your coffee with breakfast can soften caffeine's punch. Think eggs with oats or Greek yogurt with chia and blueberries. Start with a small cup and notice how you feel before pouring a second. For a soothing warm mug without caffeine, reach for herbal teas. Chamomile is calming. Rooibos is naturally caffeine-free with a rich flavor. Peppermint is refreshing, and ginger is often soothing if you also experience reflux. Brew them a little lighter and sip warm. Many people find this brings comfort without triggering urgency. Another gentle option is a small smoothie. Choose a base that agrees with you. Lactose-free milk, kefir, or unsweetened soy are all good choices. Add low-acid fruits like blueberries, pear, or banana. Include a spoonful of chia or ground flaxseed for fiber, which supports bowel regularity, and that in turn often helps bladder comfort. Keep it to 8 to 10 ounces in the morning so it's satisfying but not overwhelming. For coffee-like flavor without the caffeine, try roasted barley tea or chicory coffee. Barley tea is toasty and naturally caffeine-free. Chicory brews like coffee offers a deep flavor and is gentle for many people. These can be nice bridge beverages if you're looking to calm your mornings while keeping a cozy ritual. A few hydration and routine tips can quietly change your whole day. Sip steadily after waking instead of chugging a large amount all at once. If you do have caffeine, pair it with protein and fiber to blunt urgency. Front-load most of your fluids earlier in the day, and ease up 30 to 45 minutes before a walk appointment or class to reduce bathroom hunting. Aim for pale straw-colored urine, not clear, not dark, as a simple sign you're hydrated just right. If you feel unsteady signals when you stand, try 5 gentle pelvic floor squeezes before getting up. It's a subtle cue that can help calm urgency. And for 1 week, keep a simple bladder log: what you drank, when you drank it, and how you felt. Patterns appear quickly and they make your next step obvious. Let's recap. To protect your bladder in the morning, ease off strong coffee or espresso on an empty stomach. Be careful with black tea and energy drinks. Go gently with orange and grapefruit juice, and skip diet or zero-sugar sodas first thing. Choose calmer replacements, warm or room temperature water to start, herbal teas for comfort, coffee prepared in a gentler way and paired with food low-acid smoothies in small portions, and roasted barley or chicory if you want that cozy roasty flavor. Combine those choices with steady sipping, smart timing, and simple pelvic floor cues, and you may notice your bladder feels more relaxed all day. If this was helpful, subscribe for weekly senior smart guidance on nutrition, hydration, and bladder-friendly habits. And I'd love to hear from you. Which morning drink will you swap this week? Will you tweak your coffee? Try an herbal tea or blend a calmer smoothie? Share your plan in the comments so we can help you fine-tune it. Here's to comfortable, confident mornings.